Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best affordable 3D printers in 2023. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best affordable 3D printers. The fifth product on our list is Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D printer. For those who are getting into 3D printing for the first time and don't necessarily need a printer ready for professional grade work, you can opt for the Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D printer. This is a 3D printer built for beginners who only plan to make small prints. The printer has a limited build volume of 110 by 120 mm. Users can print immediately after unboxing the product because it gets shipped to you fully assembled. The Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D printer has a touchscreen panel with large icons for easy navigation, and it's easy and quick to get the hang of things. Starting your print is simple and fast because of the printer's advanced auto-leveling system. The printer won't make too much noise because of its quieter driver motors. Users won't have to use cables to print from their devices because the printer can connect using Wi-Fi. The PoloPrint Pro app is available for Android and iOS users. Once you're not a beginner anymore and want to play around with your printer, you are free to tinker with the printer since it's open source friendly. You can use it with Cura and various open source 3D printing slicing software packages. Up next in fourth place is the Xyzprinting Da Vinci Mini. There are 3D printers out there that consumers will find complicated to operate, but the Xyzprinting Da Vinci Mini wireless 3D printer isn't one of them. You will get to print a wide range of objects with this printer because of its printing dimension of 5.9 or 5.9 or 5.9. The printer is quick with its printing process because its extruder and print bed move simultaneously, and it doesn't sacrifice the quality of your 3D prints. You won't have a long wait time before you can start printing because it will only take about a minute for its nozzle to heat up. Users can keep it old school and connect their devices to the printer using a USB cable. But you can also have a hassle-free wireless printing experience using Wi-Fi. Once you receive your package, you can instantly try out your first print because there's no assembly required. Customers will get easy access to the company's after-sale customer service in case any problem arises. The Xyzprinting Da Vinci Mini isn't perfect because some users reported that removing your prints from the print bed can get tricky sometimes, and some experience issues when attempting to launch prints. Still haven't found affordable 3D printers that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Creality Ender-3 V2. The Creality Ender-3 V2 is ideal for those with a tight budget because it will only cost you less than $300. The printer is equipped with a self-developed silent motherboard with fast and stable motion performance, low decibel operation and silent printing, and strong anti-interference capabilities. You can expect long-time printing and fast heating with this printer because of its UL-certified Meanwell power supply. Its power supply is hidden inside the printer, so you're guaranteed top-notch safety. Users will find it easy to load and feed filaments into the printer because of the rotary knob on its extruder. You get a 4.3 smart color screen and a user-friendly interface for a more convenient operation. If you suffer a power outage, the printer will remember the last recorded extruder position and can resume your printing process from where you left off once you get your power back. The Creality Ender-3 V2 has a carborundum glass platform that allows the hotbed to heat up faster and enhance the adherence of your prints. You will instantly notice incredible smoothness on your first layer. Since this is a highly affordable printer, it has areas where it needs to significantly improve on. Some examples are its manual print bed leveling because it can get tricky at times, and other parts of the printer don't have the best quality compared to its competitors. People have also noticed how its setup instructions should have been more legible. The second product on our list is the Anycubic Vyper. If you plan on having larger prints, the Anycubic Vyper would be the right choice for you. This 3D printer features a large build volume of 9.6 L x 9.6 W x 10.2 H. It's one of the printers on the market that comes with an auto-leveling feature, and it can automatically adjust your uneven hotbed using its 16-point precise pressure strain gauge. The printer is perfect for those who like working fast because of its fast printing time. It can print about 7.1 inches or 18 centimeters per second. You can trust that your entire printing process will remain stable because of the printer's high-precision double-screw design. Your prints will have superb detail and avoid print layer marks since the printer has a patented Z-axis. The Anycubic Vyper features a unique platform with a special coating and spring steel, allowing you to easily remove your 3D models by removing the entire platform and bending it. The high-quality rust-proof platform will last you for decades, so you won't have to spend extra cash on regular replacements. Users can use different filaments like TPU, PETG, ABS, and PLA. The printer comes with a sensor that can detect if you're shut off its power or run out of filament, and it will automatically pause or resume printing when applicable. It's easy to control the printer using its 4.3 LCD, and its touchscreen capabilities allow you to work faster. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the original Prusa Mini Plus Kit. The original Prusa Mini Plus Kit is a superb budget-friendly 3D printer because it comes with various innovative features despite being a compact device. The printer features a build volume of 7x7x7, 18 by 18 by 18 centimeters. It makes your life easier because of its sensorless homing, automatic mesh bed calibration, and replaceable nozzles. You won't have a hard time navigating through the printer's controls because it comes with a 2.8-inch colored LCD screen, which will also show you a preview of your sliced model before you begin the printing process. Once you're ready to print, it's as easy as confirming your print and clicking a single button. Removing your printed objects from the printer will be a breeze because of the removable spring steel sheets and magnetic heat bed. You can rest assured that the first layer of your prints will always be accurate and perfect because the printer's high-quality sensor in its SuperPinda probe probes several areas of your heat bed and creates a virtual height map. In terms of connectivity, users have the option to connect the printer to their devices using an Ethernet cable. It also allows wireless printing using the optional ESP Wi-Fi module upgrade. The original Prusa Mini Plus Kit is a reliable device to use that is 100% safe since it comes with safety features like a high-quality power supply, 3 thermistors, fan RPM monitoring, and self-diagnostics. Despite all these safety nets, you still must keep a close eye on your printer if you have kids or pets around. And that's all for our top 5 best affordable 3D printers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.